Hello, welcome to the live stream. Today we're going to test whether or not Zoho Mail is still for free if you want to create custom emails. Okay, so how are we going to start? We'll first start by I like to work with VS Code and write down my notes. So I've created a folder called Zoho Test, where we'll compile all the notes, all the experiments, and see if this works out. So let's dive into Zoho Test. Inside Zoho Test, we'll open VS Code. Let's open VS Code now. I'm sure VS Code is now in view. Okay. Right. Now let's close the AI chatbot. We don't need it for now. And let's close the welcome message from Visual Studio Code, as we don't need it now. So first thing we do is create a README file. This README file will write the instructions and tests. In other words, we'll use this README file for planning. Okay. Don't show this again. Alright. Right, so let's write what the topic. This is a test to determine if Zoho Mail, let me increase the size so that it's visible. I think this is visible. Test to determine if Zoho Mail still offers custom email for free, of course. So what are the steps we are going to take? Okay, step number one, we will step number one, what is the first step? We will check if Zoho Mail has the offer on their website. Okay, so let's do that now. Let's open up Google Chrome. Okay, now I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and once I open up Google Chrome, that's where I will visit the Zoho Mail website and review the instructions. So let's go to Zoho Mail. Okay. All right. Let's check out mail pricing. So here it is, mail pricing. So here, let me increase the size so that it's visible. So right now I'm in the Zoho Mail pricing page. In the Zoho Mail pricing page, and they have pricing plans starting at $2 per user per month for any team size, or 70 cents per user per month. Okay, let's scroll down. They have Mail Premium, $2.50 per user per month, and $4 for Workplace Professional, Okay, so here it is. It's hidden beneath it all, the forever free plan, which is available only in select data centers. Okay, so here it says sign up now. Sign up now. So what I'm going to do now is sign up for a Zoho Mail account by clicking the sign up now prompt, because clearly from this we can tell that the forever free plan is still available. Okay, but it has some caveats, and the caveats are IMAP and POP and active sync are not included. Well, since it's a free plan, of course there are limitations that you should be aware of. We will in a later part check out what these limitations mean in terms of setting up your own custom email. Are they worth the risk or not? We'll answer that question later on. But for now, we are going to click the sign up now for the forever free plan. Now I've just clicked up the sign up button for the forever free plan on the Zoho Mail website. So let me increase the size once again so that it's visible to you. Okay. Right. Here it says sign up for Zoho Workplace. Glad to have you on board. Create your ad-free email account with Zoho now. Okay, so let me enter my details. Okay, right now I'm going to enter my details. So I'm going to do it off the stream for privacy purposes. So right now, the next step, let's enter. The next step is confirm if Zoho. Okay, sorry. Once you have confirmed if Zoho Mail is free, sign up for a Zoho Mail account. Okay, that's what we're about to do now. So right now I'm signing up for a Zoho Mail account. I'll enter my name, which is Mark Onyaka, and my email address, the email that I will use for this account. I will also add a password for my Zoho Mail account. So I've just checked out. It seems I already have a Zoho Mail account. So instead of signing up for a Zoho Mail account, I will sign in. So let me show you the sign in page. Let me show you the sign in page. Here's the sign in page there. So I already have an account. Now I need to complete the sign in process by because they have sent an OTP to my email address. So let me copy the OTP and enter it. I have entered the OTP. Sorry. Let me enter the OTP once again. The OTP. I have entered the OTP to verify my account. Okay. Let me review my account details. This is an old account, so some details need to be reviewed. I created it 5 years ago. So they have a policy for you to confirm some of the details. All right. I am now logged in to my Zoho mail account. All right. So here it is. Welcome to Zoho Mail. Let me increase. Here it is once again. Welcome to Zoho Mail. You can use a domain you already own or purchase a new domain. Choose your preference to continue your account setup. Okay. For me, I already have an existing domain. I purchased this existing domain from Namecheap. So what I'm going to do now is click on add an existing domain. Okay, remember the link here. The link is mailadmin.zoho.com/hosting plan equal free. So let me copy this link, as this is helpful if you can't find the free option for Zoho Mail easily. So let me paste this link. Alternatively, visit the following page to confirm. Following page for the Zoho Mail. Visit the following page for the Zoho Mail. What do we want to call this? Visit the following page for the Zoho Mail free email option setup. So let's include the link. Okay. There we go. That's the link. All right. I think I need to include a screenshot of this page. Okay, so for the screenshot, this is the screenshot. Okay, this makes for a good screenshot. Okay, let's okay, this one. Ooh. Oh, all right. So let's see, window snip. So that's the one I wanted. So we're gonna save this as an image. So save this image. We're gonna name it we're going to name it add domain in Zoho dashboard. I'd like to think that's the appropriate. Yes. Add domain in Zoho dashboard. Okay. Then save that. After saving that, the next thing we are supposed to do, let me close this screenshot, is click on Add Now. So click on Add Now. Provide your existing domain, provide your industry type. So my existing domain name is the following: kwamwena.link, and my organization name is Meanwood Kwamwena Community Hub, and the industry type we can leave it blank. So let's take a screenshot of this as well. I think this is important, so let me set it up nicely. Okay, so we take a window snip and this one. So domain edition, so call it domain edition menu. We save the image by calling it domain edition menu and save that. Once that is saved, you can close that. We click on Add Now. Clicking on Add Now will add a domain you already own to set it up for Zoho Mail. So let's click Add Now. Oh, sorry. First things first, let me include the images. We include the steps first. We need to retrace the steps once again. So we say add domain. Okay, so do this and add domain in this one. Add domain in Zoho dashboard.png. In Zoho dashboard.png. I think that's the one. So this is the fourth step, number 4, and this one is click on add existing domain or register new domain. That is if you don't own one. Okay, and then step number 5 is add the name, add the URL of your domain as well as the name of your organization So let's include the image right here. The image is domain addition. Let's see, domain addition menu .png. Okay, that's all right. Now what's next? The next step, let me just clean up this. The next step would be to click on add now. Okay, so we took a screenshot. Now add now. I hope this is the final. Oh, industry type as well. You have to include industry type, and this one is okay. YouTube is not responding. YouTube is not responding. Why is YouTube not responding? Why is YouTube not responding? Why is